Today, we're going to talk about something you probably already understood from the thumbnail. Imagine a website that gives you 30 million tokens every single day. That's honestly pretty crazy. And with those 30 million tokens, we can do a lot of things. For example, as you can see here, I've already created a complete website based on my own workflow. I've organized everything into different checklists according to the tasks I usually work on, so I can easily go through each section, check what I've completed, and save everything for later. That way, I can keep track of exactly what I've checked and what still needs to be done. So, welcome back to the Haxshadow YouTube channel. All right, let's head over to the website. As you can see, they've clearly listed the different things we can do on the platform. Two options that immediately caught my attention are security review, run a health check before launch, and product/technology research. I really like these two because they fit perfectly with the kind of work I usually do. If we scroll down a little further, we can see the free plan and what's included. Every day, we'll receive 30 million tokens to use, along with the ability to run one task. For a free plan, that's actually pretty impressive. So let's sign up for the website and see how everything works. The sign-up process is very simple. Just create an account the same way you normally would on any other website. So we've successfully signed up, and as you can see, we're getting 30 million tokens every day. Not only that, we're also getting 100 credits that we can claim, which is pretty interesting. If we go into the settings, we can see several useful options, including MCP, which is a very important feature, along with some other interesting settings that you can explore yourself. All right, now let's send a simple message and see if everything actually works. Keep in mind, the first response might take a little longer, so let's give it some time and see how it performs. Now, we'll ask it a few different questions. One of the first things I'll ask is how it can help me with bug hunting and cybersecurity. Okay, as you can see, it's already giving us a lot of useful information. Now, I'm going to ask it to create a website for me, specifically a portfolio-style site, and I'll ask it to gather the relevant information from my YouTube channel. Then we'll see how much of the website it can actually build and how well it handles the task. It has created the website for us, and as you can see, it has added quite a few things to the site and organized them pretty well. I think it could have been even better if I had explained my requirements in more detail. With a more specific prompt, I probably could have gotten a much better result. But my main goal with this platform is not really to build a perfect website. I want to use it mainly for research and bug hunting so I can speed up my workflow and get things done faster. Especially when I'm doing research, I want to use it as an assistant to help me find and organize information more efficiently so I can save time and work faster. There's one more thing I want to mention. For those of you who have watched this video from the beginning, I've included a link in the video description that you can use to access Manus AI with unlimited usage. However, keep in mind that this offer is only available for a limited time, so if you're interested, make sure to check it out and give it a try. And after you've used it, let me know what you think about it and how useful you found it. Let me know what you thought about the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Also, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next and what topics would be most helpful for you.